It is unfortunate that the deceased was also failed by the police in not doing their work to ensure that they protect her on the basis of the protection order that she had.
Belinah Legobye's family and friends share Judge Mahangu's sentiments. Legobye was stabbed 24 times and died on the scene. Her death follows several threats on her life.
I heard Belinah screaming and shouting out my name and asking me to help her. I got out of bed and went to her shack. When I arrived there, I knocked on her door and peeped through to see what was going on. I saw Sello strangling Belinah and blocking the door with his foot. I then saw him stab her with a knife on the neck. I asked him why he was stabbing her, and he turned around and looked at me with so much anger on his face.
Justice prevailed too late for Belinah.
On count 1, contravention of section 17, capital A, read with sections 1, 6, and 7 of the Domestic Violence Act 116 of 1998, you are sentenced to 4 years imprisonment. Count 2, murder, you are sentenced to life imprisonment.
Family says if the protection order was effected, their sister would still be alive.
Those officers were supposed to go there the night prior the death of my sister. They were supposed to go there and arrest this guy before this incident happened. You understand? So I feel so unfair because like our South African police is really disappointing us as a family. You understand? We are really disappointed. So I think we're gonna take this matter further.
The NPA says the justice system needs to protect women who report their cases.
This is the second case that I've attended where a woman has actually made efforts to protect herself, went to the authorities, acquired a protection order, but still that did not help or protect her from being killed by her partner. This is now a second case. So these are serious debates that we need to engage each other with as the criminal justice system. Obviously, we are cognizant of the flaws within the system itself. We have come across admitting that in some instances, yes, we do fail the victims of gender-based violence.
In summing up his evidence, the judge rejected Modiselle's argument of self-defense. He explained that no other court would differ with his sentencing, and that was his justification for dismissing the application to appeal. Nosipho Mncube, SABC News, Johannesburg.